Hi, today I'm going to go through 3 tips in 3 minutes for using your Festool Domino. These are 3 pieces of advice that I picked up from a number of videos and I thought I'd share them here. Watch along and let me know what you think. When you're plunging onto a flat surface with the domino vertical, it's important to know that the distance between the back of the fence and the center of the cutter is 3/8 of an inch. This allows you to mark out your cut and then mark out a line 3 inches back from there. Place the back of the fence on that 3/8 inch offset line and ideally use some type of fence there. This allows you to mark out the center of your cut, draw a line 3/8 of an inch back from there to place your fence against. I find it super helpful to use a temporary fence of some sort, either clamped down, attached with CA glue, or attached with double-sided tape. Any of these methods work. I find the domino sometimes squirms a little bit when you turn it on and as you plunge down, so having a fence to push against really helps make sure your cut is perfectly centered on your line. When cutting mortises, I find it helpful to have one side slightly wider than the other side to allow for a little bit of movement when gluing up. I will say that I find the middle and the wide setting of the domino a little bit too wide for using in a lot of applications. So what I do is mark the center of my domino and then cut just a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right of that line. This allows me to have maybe a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch, just a very little amount of movement to allow me to align my piece when gluing up, but not so much that the domino is sloppy like you get with the wider settings. When cutting mortises into a miter, usually I do it at 45 degrees to cut a miter joint for a box or a square. It's important to make sure that you set the angle of your fence before setting the height of the fence. When the fence is at 90 degrees, it is not completely bottomed out. If you bottom it out and then set the fence to 45 degrees, you won't be fully bottomed out and you will cut through the face of your workpiece. It's really important to make sure you set the angle and then adjust the depth of the cut. Well, there you have it. There's 3 tips I find super useful for using the domino. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you think I missed or anything you'd like to add. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks a lot and have a great day.